Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Put the watch on snugly above the wrist bone. You need accurate heart rate contact. Once worn, open health and confirm heart rate and Vo2 max permissions are enabled so data flows. Next, choose your test mode, an outdoor walk or run for most users, or the dedicated Vo2 max workout if available on your model. Make sure GPS is active and battery is above 50%. This ensures uninterrupted data capture. Start the workout and settle into a steady pace before you begin the measured interval. Begin with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up so your heart rate rises gradually. Once warm, increase to a hard but sustainable effort. Maintain that steady intensity for at least 10 minutes so the watch can estimate oxygen uptake reliably. Keep cadence consistent and avoid stops, since interruptions skew the calculation. During the interval, glance at heart rate and GPS stability. Make sure the watch shows continuous heart rate and pace. If readings drop or GPS blips occur, adjust fit and continue to preserve data continuity. Cool down for about 5 minutes and then end the workout so the watch finalizes metrics. Once done, let the watch sync to your iPhone. Open health and navigate to heart, then Vo2 max to review the estimate and recent trend. The how and why matter. Steady sustained effort produces better estimates than sporadic sprints. If Vo2 max is missing or clearly wrong, check permissions. Recalibrate location services by walking a 20-minute outdoor route. Ensure a snug fit and repeat the protocol after adequate rest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.